guys, welcome back. So today we are unboxing this CRT titanium slip-on system by SC Project. Last time when I posted a video about which exhaust system I should go with, a bunch of y'all recommended for me to get SC Project. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like and what it sounds like in person. We don't need this. Thank you, Motivation, for providing this exhaust system, and thank you, SC Project. Okay, well, that's it. This is extremely light. This is the world's champion exhaust system made in Italy. It weighs about 2 pounds. Comes with heat shields and mounting hardware. I want to show you guys how different it is between the stock exhaust and the slip-on. Obviously this is a lot prettier and a lot lighter. The instruction is pretty simple, so I don't think it's going to take that long to put the system on. So we got the stock exhaust out, took a little bit of wiggling. This thing is pretty big. So this is carbon fiber heat shield. We're just gonna screw it onto this first before we put it on. Perfect. Well, that's it, guys. It took me about 20 minutes to put on this system. Now let's hear it. Okay. Well, that's it, guys. This was so easy to put on. It took me less than an hour to change everything, and in a few weeks I'm actually going to change the header to make this into a full exhaust system. Next weekend I'm actually taking this back to Button Willow, so I'm super excited about that. If you guys are interested in the SC Project exhaust system, please go to motivationusa.com.